or my family, you should even pay more. No beef, but sincerely, that is how I feel. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you again. Thank you for always coming by. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm so happy to have you, and if you're yet to join this family, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscription button, thumbs up for this video, like and share. My name is Felicity, a professional makeup artist based in Lagos here, Nigeria, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video, I'm talking about the challenges faced by makeup artists here in Nigeria, and the lists are endless, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be touching just few of the points. This is a collaboration with my friend Ocube and she's a makeup artist as well and a YouTuber. She has posted her own video yesterday. Please kindly go to her YouTube channel to watch the video, and in the description but also add the link to her own video on this topic. So without so much talking, let's get to the topic of it. So wonderful people, the lists are endless, and seriously I have them listed at in my jotter, but the more common that every other person experience. And the first one is I'm talking about delay. That's a waiting time, clients keeping you waiting. And it's a very big challenge, because at times when you, as a growing brand, you get to a point that gets more than one bookings in a day and you've already timed them. Say you have a client for 7 a.m, then another call has for 10, so you schedule the client for 9, so you have a space of 1 hour depending on the distance where you're coming from and where you're going to get to your client, and with the whole Lagos traffic. So by the time you've already have yourself planned and how it's going to be, imagine you get to the client's house at, let's say, 6:50. You call the client is still sleeping. You get into the client's estate or client's apartment, the client is still saying, oh sorry, I'm coming. The client will just go up and down to dress up, dress the kids, get breakfast prepared. Before you know it, it's already 7:30 and you have another client for 9, and it's always a big challenge, you know. And this same clients, when you get to their house late, oh my god, you wouldn't want, just like a minute late, you wouldn't want to hear or know how this makeup artist will be treated, you know. Yes, another one is, I don't know if I should call it familiarity or sense of entitlement, and this is basically for your friends, families and colleagues, basically colleagues from school, you know, because that these people know you and they know your struggle, they know how you started, they have this sense of entitlement that you should do makeup for them for free. And basically that has cost me a lot of friends, and honestly I really do not care. Like sis, when I go to MAC to buy my foundation, do I tell them that because you know me and we are friends? No. And when I come to you with some less expensive products, you complain, you tell me that my products are, and you want me to do the makeup almost for free. No sis, it's not done that way. This is business. Like, I am doing business, and what do? I have to know my worth and add tax to it. They don't give me this product based on the fact that we're friends. No, I pay for this product and no discount. So please, when next you think or consider or enter into your mind to book me as your makeup artist, please, as my friend or my family, you should even pay more. Alright? No beef, but sincerely, that is how I feel. The next one on my list is comparison. Alright? This comparison has been a big issue. It was for me, and I'm sure it is an issue for so many of my colleagues and the upcoming makeup artists. Now this is it. You want to get a particular look, and you know a makeup artist, sorry guys, I'm really sweating, and you know a makeup artist who specializes in that kind of look. Why don't you go and book that makeup artist? Book Lagbaja and leave Lagbada alone. Alright, it doesn't make sense that you book this particular makeup artist and by the time she gets to you, no, you want her to recreate what Lagbaja recreated. It's not that easy to recreate. And even if she decides to recreate, if she doesn't get it exactly like Lagbaja, don't forget that Lagbaja has already photoshopped her videos, photoshopped her pictures, okay? Everything has been edited. What you're seeing is diluted work, not the undiluted one. And you want her work to look exactly like you, airbrush and everything. Meanwhile, you have pimples on your skin. You have this huge acne and you don't even take care of your skin, which means any product on your skin just washes away. And you want your look, your makeup to come and looking like what Lagbaja did. Please stop comparing. If you prefer Lagbaja's work, kindly go and meet Lagbaja. That's a very big challenge and it reduces self-worth of a lot of people. I know a lot of my colleagues who get depressed, they just want to quit and not the rest just because of one thing you said. That's a very big challenge, honestly, and I would suggest that, or rather what I think is, go and book who you think you want the look. Do not compare. All of us are different. We are doing the same thing, but we are different. You can only have someone's work looking like the other if that person trained from that person. If Sister A did not train for Lagbaja, her work can never look like that of Lagbaja. Please, sis, when next you're booking, kindly book Lagbaja and do not disturb sisters. Another challenge makeup artists have is delay in payments. Now, this is a situation where a makeup artist finishes her job and the client will say, oh, kindly send me your account number. I'm so sorry, I'm in a hurry now. Kindly send me your account number. I will make a transfer for you. And by the time you leave there, to some people, you're not going to get your money for like a week, 2 weeks, depending on the individual, and you have to keep reminding and reminding. Before you know it, you turn to a nuisance. So how do you curb this? And how I was able to curb it is, one, when you're booking me, I'll tell you straightforward, for me to come, you have to pay 70% first before I'll come to your house. And when I come, before I start, you make the last payment. Now this is it, and there is no refund. Now when you do this and you're street, mind you're going to lose customers because some of them does not even trust you. They don't know you, they just saw your work and they just want to try you. But if you set this standard and start by it, it's going to work for you, and it really worked for me. So that's a very big challenge for us, delay in payment. Let's think about it. Please pay and pay their worth. So another one on the list is underpay. Now this underpay varies, okay? I get to understand that while talking with some people in the industry, I get to understand that it's the standard you set that will determine how you'll be paid. But there's some things that happen that some people, if you are not Lagbaja or you are not Sister A or Sister Q, they will not want to pay a certain amount because you do not have celebrities on your page. And you don't have high-end or high-profile clients on your page. They will not want to pay you. It's your product. The product I use is still the same thing they use. We go for train like every other time. So it's the same thing we're arranging. Next on my list is this one is somehow though, is pleasing clients. You know, at times as a makeup artist, you're so into pleasing client that you lost yourself. Because you want to please this client, you won't be able to know your signature anymore. Please, clients, kindly stop comparing also. Allow us to do our thing. If you do not like what I do, move. But I'm not saying that we're not willing to learn or willing to get improved, right? We always get improved, but everybody in the industry, the voices in the industry, have their preferred signature, and their signature stand. And my god, I didn't mention it. Traffic is a very big challenge, right? In Lagos State, basically. I don't know about any other state. There's sometimes you plan. I remember a particular day that I have a client at Ikoyi, then I plan an hour trip, and it was on a Monday morning because it's her court wedding. all thanks to God that she wasn't so much in a hurry, and her own time was for, I think, for 9. So she asked me to get to her by 7. Then I remember waking up and getting dressed. I left the house around 5:30. You won't believe that I didn't get to my client until 8 a.m. 5:30 a.m. until 8 a.m. It was crazy. So the best thing here, when you are not sure of the distance, please plan ahead of time. It is very important, you know. You wouldn't want to, because once you get a client's place late, it kind of disorganizes you and you won't be settled. And if it's a client who is unkind, you know, the client could use some words that will hurt your feelings and thereby throw you off balance. So traffic is a very big challenge, and I don't know how we're gonna settle this, but the best thing is plan your way ahead of time. These are some of the challenges that makeup artists are facing in Nigeria, and I hope I've been able to touch those that pertain to you, and these are the ones that are more peculiar to me and to people around me, and the ways I was able to overcome them. That's my struggle and my triumph over them. I'm so happy to have you here, and thank you so much for staying with me. Bless you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up for this video, comment, like and share. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.